You hungry? Let's make a snack. I'm gonna add in some cream cheese. There's one stick, the second stick. To the butter and the cream cheese, I'm gonna add in some sugar. Now we mix it. See how light and fluffy that is? That's what you wanna see. 1 egg, mix. 2 eggs, mix. 3 eggs, mix. 4 eggs. And here is the 5th egg. Now we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Now you know we need a pinch of salt. Definitely need a little bit of baking powder. And for the flour, so there's the first cup, the second cup, here's the third cup, and lastly I'm gonna add in a cup of buttermilk. Just gonna fill this up about 3/4 of the way. Because if you go any higher than that, you're gonna have a mess in your oven. I don't know if your grandmother was like mine, but when you have a pound cake this beautiful, you gotta make sure you get the air pockets out. I don't know if this worked, but she always did it. So you bang it on the counter a couple of times. My oven's 325. This goes in an hour and 15 minutes. Let's go. I pulled out my cake. I let it cool. Now let's see if it comes out in one piece. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, one piece. Ooh. All right, now all you gotta do is bow your head and say grace, grace. Mmm.